That's how you make the natural green windshield wiper fluid that you may not have thought about before and ways to use it. But I'm all about helping you use oils in creative, practical ways. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today we're going to talk about the best, that's right, the best doTERRA windshield wiper fluid that you can make at home. That's right. And it's one that you probably never thought of because, well, I just thought of it not too long ago. So I'm assuming there's other people that could benefit from this super cost-effective, aka cheap solution that's all natural, non-toxic, and green, and really supports your immune system function. So let's get down to it. Alright, so how you do this is you grab this thing right here. It's kind of heavy. I'm working out, but you know. Alright, it's empty, but I've been working out, so it's really not that heavy, but you know. Anyways, this is the apple cider vinegar from Sprouts, which if you don't have a Sprouts in your local area, well, sorry. Maybe they'll be building one soon. Alright. Okay, anyways, this is a glass jug, which I love, metal container lid, which I also love. And you're going to want to fill this with 1 gallon of reverse osmosis or alkaline water and 10 to 20 drops of On Guard oil, which is the protective blend. And this is really good for helping to not only support your immune system, but it's non-toxic, it's a green cleaner, and it's really effective and is used in so many cleaning products that doTERRA has. Alright, so you're basically going to, fill it up, as much as you can, 10 to 20 drops of this right here. My hands are full. Oh my goodness, I got so much going on. Alright, not really, it's just 2 things, so it's not that bad. Alright, regroup. After that, you just take this and pour as much as you can in the little windshield wiper fluid opening in your car when you pop the hood, and then boom, there you go. Now you don't have to use toxic ingredients from store shelves of Walmart or Target or AutoZone or wherever you kind of get windshield wiper fluid. And you always want windshield wiper fluid. You never know what bugs are going to hit it, and rain, water spots, other stuff is going to be on there. So it's important to use something natural, and this is really, again, cost effective. Just water and some oil. Amazingness. That's how you make the natural green windshield wiper fluid that you may not have thought about before and ways to use it. But I'm all about helping you use oils in creative, practical ways that don't cost a lot of money, because you know what I'm saying. We're trying to save money in 2018 and every year after that. That's right. It's not just a 2018 thing, but it's a 2018 thing. You catching what I'm dropping? No? Okay, well, I don't know what to say after that. Okay, here's what I am going to say. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates. And leave a comment below if you used this and it really helped you out, or if you tried a different oil, or how much money you actually saved. I want to know that too. Alright, other than that, we'll see you in the next video.